Hi, I'm Mike from Socra AI, and today I'm going to walk you through creating a new Socra on the platform. So let's get started. I've started in this fitness journey that I've created for myself, and I have a little bit of information about who I am and a little bit of experience about what I do with workouts. The AI is going to be able to use this as context later on, and we'll get to that. But first, we're going to create a Socra. A Socra is something that you want to achieve. It's something that you want to document. It's a piece of knowledge that you want to cement, or it's something that you want somebody else to do. Today, for example, I want to do a leg workout. So I'll ask the AI to help me create a leg workout. When you're creating a Socra, you have a lot of different options that you can choose from. You can specify where you want to create your Socra. In this case, it's in the fitness journey that I've created. You can specify whether you want it to be public or private. You can assign to different humans or AI agents on the platform. And you can keep track of status, priority, and due date with your Socra. So for us, since we're creating a leg workout and I want the AI to help us with this leg workout, I'm going to specify the assignee to be Socra AI. Socra AI is our AI that we use to help us, and it's using a combination of agents. It's quite a powerful tool, so we'll assign this to Socra AI. In the Brainstorm section for this Socra, I'll just give it a couple of details about what I want out of this leg workout. And so let's just say I worked out legs 2 days ago and want to create a really intense leg workout. Please help. So in this editor, one thing I didn't mention about this editor is that it is fully Markdown compliant. So you can add headings, you can add bullet points, you can add numbered lists, and so on. For our use case, we just need simple text, so that's what we'll use in this one. So when you've gone through your Socra and you feel like you've got exactly what you need, you can go ahead and click Create. If you've assigned it to an AI agent, the AI agent will get to work trying to help you. So in this case, let's create. Okay, so it looks like Socra AI is starting off by helping us out. And Socra AI is asking us, how do you feel about incorporating some compound movements like squats and deadlifts in your workout? I'll say, that sounds great. Great. Can you create a plan for me? So now Socra AI will choose to get to work updating the content with a leg workout that meets my criteria. In this case, it looks like it did a really good job here. Based on what you provide the AI, Socra AI is able to help rewrite and cement this knowledge that you're trying to create. In this case, we're just creating a workout, so it's fairly straightforward knowledge. But we use Socra AI for all sorts of tasks, from documenting things about the platform, to keeping track of bugs on the platform, to all of our daily activities like shopping lists and so on and so forth. So this is an interactive way that Socra basically helps you create knowledge on the platform. And this piece of content that we're working through is something that I can edit and the AI can edit with me. I can also choose to invite collaborators. For example, if I want to add my co-founder, Ed, I can go ahead and add Ed as an admin or any other role that I want. Now, this, in the case of an individual workout, it's not all that important to add other people. But for big team projects, you definitely want to add other people. So collaborating with other people in real time on Socra is one of the key things about what makes this platform so unique and so special. And I'm going to continue working with the AI to help fill out my workout for today. When I've decided that it's time to start my workout, I can put it in work. And I can work through and I can mark each of these items as complete. When I'm done, I can mark it as done, and then this Socra is now complete. So you can see here that the AI is categorizing and summarizing, running a few different things that we call Socra actions so that it can remember it for future interactions with me. One thing I didn't mention before is that you can actually tag different AIs or humans in the updates here. So you can tag just basic old ChatGPT if I want, and I could say, how does this workout look? And this will automatically add ChatGPT as a collaborator on this Socra, and ChatGPT is now able to basically collaborate with us in real time, just like Socra AI was able to. And so, I tag ChatGPT here, but you can tag other humans, other teammates, people that you want to help you out on individual goals. This is super useful for collaborating in real time, and it's one of the key features of Socra. Okay, so we've basically gone through most of the key features of a Socra. I hope you've learned something about what a Socra is, how to use it, what we use it for, and I think next time we'll be documenting journeys. Journeys allow you to organize Socras into a hierarchy of folders that allow you to make progress on big complex goals with your teams. So stay tuned for next time. Thanks.